Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video, we're going to look at the LG soundbar with Meridian, and the model number is SP7Y. It does have Dolby Audio, DTS, high resolution. It can be connected through the iPhone, iPad, and of course, also with an Android. And as you can see, it has 5.1 channels. It has 440 watts. It has AI Sound Pro, and it is compatible with the extra two rear speakers that you can buy separately. On this first box, we have the optical cable. Then we have this template to tell you how to install it on the wall. It gives you options here. Then you have the user manual, how to use, install it. More information, there's a QR code here. Then you have a couple of screws here. Then you have the remote. Then you have the power cable, power, a couple of brackets in here, and some batteries. Let's take a look at the soundbar. It has a very nice, cool finish. It's fabric on top of it. And here you have the Bluetooth button, plus, minus, input, and power. HDMI out, TV ARC, HDMI in, USB, optical in, and power. Then you have extra speakers here. And here is the subwoofer. It also has the cloth finish in the front. And on the sides, it's smooth, as well as the top. And it is wireless. Also on the other side, it's smooth. And the back looks like this. It has the sound coming out of the bottom, and it has a small button here, just in case you have to reset or repair. That's the only button that you have. So there are the two pieces that you get with the 5 channels on the bar plus the one on the subwoofer. So let's see how it sounds. As you can see, the sound does not get distorted even at the max volume, and the bass is awesome. I hope this video helps you in some way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.